Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to learn the strategies, practice very well on your demo account, and try them out on your real account. Okay, so this is very important. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you're seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course it started an uptrend right from this support zone. You can see the support zone right from here gave us an uptrend signal, and right from there it started buying, broke out from this resistance zone, and of course got to a new resistance zone, and it is still buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it's going to start selling right from there. So this is very important. So this is still buying at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into that of a downtrend. Okay, now let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It started a downtrend from here. We got our downtrend signal and our sell signal, and of course it started selling, played around there for a while, but broke out below it around there, and it sold for a very long time. It has got into this region, and most likely for it to go back on buy trend right now if it's unable to break out from the support zone. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity right from there. Okay, now the next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been an uptrend right from, even though the movement was not that smooth, but it's still more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and it is still buying at the moment. However, if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it's going to go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Okay, even though this might not be for long also if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. It started an uptrend right from here. You can see the yellow flag. It kept on buying and buying, broke out around this resistance zone, and of course got to a new resistance and broke out from there also, and it has got into another new resistance zone. If it breaks out from there, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Okay, now the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. Started a downtrend right from here, got to the support zone, was unable to go beyond that, so it is now trying to go back on uptrend. If it's it is trying to go back on uptrend, so it had a little pullback, and of course once it is done with the pullback, it will continue with the trend. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, share them, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.